Hi, this is Tamsin. I'm just going to show you how to do a screen capture, which I hope is going to work. Let's see. It's tricky to think about whether showing you a screen capture in a screen capture is going to work. So I do my screen captures using QuickTime Player on a Mac, which I was fine going to the Launchpad, typing in quick, and I don't know why I have two or which is the most recent, but this is the one I use. And then when you're in QuickTime, it's File, oh you see it won't, New Screen Recording here. And when you select that, yeah, I can't show you how to do that, can I? When you select that, you'll get a little window come up with a round red button and a little arrow next to it. If you click the arrow, you'll get a drop down. I'll try and stick some screenshots in for that. Get a little drop down in which you can decide whether you want mass clicks to show or not. And then you click the red button to start, and you will immediately get an option which allows you to either record the entire screen or just a selection of the screen. When you want to edit your video, so let's just find one. You'll find it, for me, it stores in my documents folder. So we open up one, and this is the editing screen. You can play it to see what did I do. And then you can also split it. So if you want to take bits out, so you can trim it. If I was playing it, just get it started playing, I can then go edit split clip. Let's do that just to show you. And then it gives you all these little things at the bottom, and this is the split. So then I could select this and delete it if I wanted to take the front off the video. You can then find particular bits to split and change orders. You can add other videos in if you have a title screen that you want to insert, something like that. And you can drag this around to play particular bits again. So this is what I will use to drop in some screenshots of the bits that I can't video. What else? So after you've done that and you've got it how you like it, I will just hit close, and then it'll ask you at that point how to export it. Do I want to keep, because I've changed an existing video, do I want to keep this? You give it a title and tell it where. I'm going to cancel because I don't really need to change that video. And after that, once you've got it how you like it, you'll want to upload it to YouTube. So assuming you've already created a YouTube account and logged in, then you will find the place to add new videos. So let's associate up here and create. So you click create, upload videos, and then you simply navigate to your video here. I'm not actually going to delete, upload another one, but let's select that one and go open, and then it will upload it to YouTube, and you get various options at that point. You put in a title, a description, it'll give you the link to the video. You can choose a thumbnail, upload a different one if it's not picking the one you like. It seems to pick random things from the middle of the video for me. Add it to playlists. You'll need to select whether it's made for kids or not. I'm generally doing screen captures of technical stuff, so no, it's not made for kids. I presume this affects whether it's allowed to be shown on YouTube for kids or not, but I'm not worried about that. And then you would click next. I'm not going to upload this video because it's already there. But after that, there'll then be a bit of a delay while it does some processing, but you can set all the features that you want on the video. I'm just going to cancel that upload. And if you find you've uploaded the wrong thing, as I did yesterday, then it's easy enough to delete videos, delete forever, and it will make sure that you really want to do that. You have to click I understand that deleting is permanent. So that's an option. You don't have to be afraid. You can also upload things as unlisted if you want just to share it with 1 or 2 people, or maybe get some feedback before you make it public to everybody. You can make them private as well, of course. So there's options about visibility. Yeah, I mean, it's all pretty straightforward. But I think screen captures are a great way of sharing all our different skills. And I hope you find that useful. Oh, I didn't say, what to do when you want to stop your video recording, which is up here. Now that I'm going to stop mine, up here in the top menu is a little circle with a black square in, and that's how you stop the video and get into the editing side of your screen capture. All right, I hope that's useful.